This has been a fun Christmas calendar.
Absolutely.
We've been so inspired that we actually went out and killed ourselves. Well, I killed Luba and then I killed myself.
Aww.
You're welcome. But we should see what's behind the very left. There's no more windows left. Should we try? I hear something behind this piece of the wall, which I can't really. Anyway, here it is.
Okay, so my favorite way to die, that would be falling from a tall building while screaming, wearing a suit. Oh shit, wait, that's been done. Let's Die Hard. Okay, falling backwards into some liquid metal. Oh shit, that was Ripley. Ripped apart by zombies. Oh, that's probably been done too. Oh, no, oh, I know it. Death on a big space station. When it blows up and I'm wearing like this big white uniform. Oh shit, that's Star Wars. I don't know. I'll probably just die by cancer or something. I don't know. Happy Christmas.
Fucking hate being dead, man.
I think it's true.